So when I first realised that these Plexwood panels were going so badly out of shape, I contacted Plexwood obviously to notify them of the situation, and they asked me to carry out some measurements, which would be temperature and also humidity, which obviously makes sense. This property is a newly refurbished property, but it's been finished for some months now. I would have to check with my client, but if my memory serves me right, it's approximately 3 months that it's been plastered and decorated. The heating's been on ever since we came to do our final measure and install, and the heating is on very, very lowly. It's a very nice temperature. In fact, there's no cracks appeared in any of the walls. It's not damp. It's a very nice, dry environment. So having installed our kitchen with Plexwood panels, they started to go out of shape approximately a week to 2 weeks after install. It was only when I came over to just inspect the worktops after they've been installed did I notice that they were going out of shape. So having notified Plexwood of it, we started to record all dimensions on the doors, sending them to Plexwood on drawings, and also recording temperatures and humidity levels. This process, I was told, needs to run for approximately 6 weeks, and Plexwood said that they have had this happen before, but quite often these panels can recover. So as much as we kind of feared the worst, and in our experience with this kind of thing, when these panels do go out of shape, we decided to obviously go with Plexwood on it. It's their material and they are certainly the experts on that material. So we've certainly left it now for a good 8 weeks. Unfortunately, there has been no recovery on the panels, only them getting slightly worse, I'm afraid to say. At this stage, I have had to kind of give my client some direction, because for the last 2 months he's not been able to move into his new kitchen, and it just seems to be going on and on between Plexwood and ourselves with regard to how we can resolve this situation. So as things stand, I've had to give my client an assurance that we will rectify this kitchen at any cost, because that is my agreement with him. What the outcome of that will be at the moment, we're not 100% sure. Hopefully we can do something where we can work out with Plexwood a way of having some different material that will look like this, but will in fact be more stable, more appropriate for kitchen applications. Obviously, when I first spoke with Plexwood at the Surface Design Show, I was assured that the way that this ply core was engineered, that it was designed specifically for this application. Having worked with other materials that have an MDF core, I would say that in our experience that we wouldn't have this situation now had we have gone with an MDF core product. So as things stand at the moment, unfortunately, my experience has been that we have not been offered any help from Plexwood. In fact, Plexwood have said to me in an email that we should stop wasting their time, and that we are on our own if we have made any agreements with our clients to rectify the situation. All they are prepared to do is offer advice. I guess if all of the doors had have gone out of shape, we could say maybe there was something wrong with our method, but everything was staying cut, joined, stained, lacquered, all within the same time frame and in exactly the same balanced way. Some of the doors have remained true, some of them have gone out of shape, so that's kind of where we are at the moment on that.